If you want to add a photo to a contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we're gonna go to the phone app. Over here in contacts, you should be able to choose the contact for which we want to add an image or a photo. Once you tap on that contact, go to eye on the right side, on the eye icon that is. Go to edit at the bottom of the screen. Then we can tap on the picture over here. You want to grant the permission for the app to access your gallery. And as you can see, we have many different options to choose from, but we're gonna go to the gallery in here in this case. And we can choose the picture that we want to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. You can set it for the profile card and picture. I'm gonna actually uncheck the profile card. I'm gonna just set it for the picture. You can still adjust the avatar if you want to. You can just zoom in, zoom out, and move it around. We have some effects at the bottom of the screen that you can use. And once you are done, just tap on the done in the upper right corner and save your changes. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.